How to scale Agile, how to keep everything aligned and synchronized. That is what this video is about. My name is Jan van Egmond. I'm project management hacker because there are better ways that are easy to learn and easier to use. For scaling Agile, you need to keep teams synchronized because they run at different velocities. They must constantly be aligned, else they totally run out of sync. And this is even more challenging when teams collaborate in various combinations. This is how it works for Agile teams that don't depend on waterfall project management. When teams need to collaborate, then start by giving each initiative or each release a name and line up those initiatives in your release train. And in fact, you're building a pipeline, and special about pipelines, you only need to synchronize with the team with the lowest velocity. And I show a few screenshots of how Agile that looks in this pipeline app. The first column shows the total backlog of initiatives. And the second column are the initiatives that have been selected to do. The most difficult part is the timing for starting to work on new initiatives. And that is the magic of this app. It takes care of the perfect timing for moving initiatives into schedule to start, based on the team with the lowest velocity. And it uses the way how initiatives move across the board to keep the release train constantly up to date. What do you think of this, that there are checks that tell when teams start too early or start too late, when initiatives are at risk in case of milestones, and when teams run empty or when teams start to jam? I think it's pretty cool. Think about how powerful this will be for your release train synchronization meetings and for managing expectations from your clients and stakeholders. Difficult to get started? Not if you join the Bootcamp. Check out the dates when you can join and when you want to do it yourself. And like and subscribe when you learn something new, and leave a comment. My name is Jan van Egmond. Thanks for watching.